Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. I'm excited to present the floor plan of our new coffee shop. So here our coffee shop. Our goal is welcoming efficient space, enhance the customer experience while maximizing operational efficiency. Let's walk through the key areas of our floor plan. Starting with the exterior, the entrance is designed to be inviting with large windows that allow natural light to flood in, creating a warm and welcoming ambience. Here's the overview of our floor plan. The layout is designed to optimize both customer flow and staff operations. We have strategically placed areas to ensure a smooth and pleasant experience for everyone. Customer setting area. Here are the customer setting area. Moving inside the customer setting area is the heart of our coffee shop. We've incorporated a mix of setting options including communal tables and comfortable lounge chairs. To cater the different preferences and group sizes, this area is designed with space between tables to maintain privacy and comfort. Ordering and pickup counter. Next we have the ordering and pickup counter. The counter is centrally located to be easily accessible from any point in the shop. This area is include a clear menu display and design section for ordering and pickup to streamline the process and reduce wait times. Here is our barista station. Behind the counter, the barista station is equipped with state-of-the-art espresso machines, grinders, and other necessary equipments. The layout here ensures that our baristas can work efficiently with everything they need within arm's reach. This setup minimizes movement and maximizes productivity. Here's our kitchen and storage. Adjacent to the barista station is the kitchen and storage area. This space is optimized for food preparation with separate zones for baking, sandwich making, and washing up. Our storage area is organized to keep ingredients and supplies easily accessible while maintaining food safety standards. Next are restroom. Here are modern restroom and clean facilities. The restroom are located towards the back to the floor, provide privacy while still being conveniently accessible for our customer. Next is the staff areas. We put here the staff areas. In addition to customer spaces, we have designated space areas including a break room and locker area. These spaces are essential for employee well-being and efficiency, providing them with a comfortable place to rest and store their personal belongings. Thank you.